In this lecture, we'll see that how to write a Fibonacci series algorithm and how to write the program for that. You see, it's a very simple program, just 7 to 8 line code is there. So first, let's understand what is a Fibonacci sequence, or some cases it is also told as a Fibonacci series also. So what is that? Basically, it is a series where the next number is a result of addition of the previous number. So how that is happening, let us see here. So in this case, let me just select this laser point. So see here, by default in a Fibonacci series, the first two values are taken as 0 and 1. Okay, so this is not addition of anything, just first two values are taken as 0 and 1. And then the next bit or the next sequence number is calculated as 0 plus 1. You can see here it's written. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. That is my next number. So after that, how to find? So current number in addition with the previous number, that is 1 plus 1, it will result in 2. So this value is 2 now in the next term. So next term to 2 is what? 2 plus the previous value, that is 1. So 2 plus 1, it will give you 3. Next term is 3 plus 2, it will be 5. Then 5 plus 3, it will be 8. So like this it will go on. And you may be asked that up to how many terms you want to write, up to 10 terms or up to 20 terms you want to write. So you can write. Now let us see that how to what is the algorithm behind that. So once you know the algorithm, then only you can write the program. So here I have written Fibonacci series is also known as a Fibonacci sequence. It's a sequence of numbers in which each number is the sum of the preceding ones. That means the previous two values have been has to be printed there. So next is it starts with 0 and 1 as the first and second numbers, and the rest of the series is generated by adding two of the previous number. That's how it happens. And how does it look like? It looks like 0 1, then 0 plus 1 is 1 2 3 5 8 4 34, and it goes on. So here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 10. So total 10 number of terms have been given here, and it goes on. Next number will be 34 plus 21, that will be equals to 55. So like this. Next is how to write the algorithm. Basically the algorithm is also very simple. So first step 1 is start, then we'll initialize some values. Why the initialization will be required? Because we are going to start from the value of 0 and 1, so that's why the initialization is required. So here we'll take one value, that is a variable, that is a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. Those are my initial values. Okay, and then I will take the count I equals to 0 because I want to print till the nth number. Or if I want a 10 says number of sequence has to be printed, then I will go increase up to value of 10. So next is n equals to number of terms to be printed. That means the user will be giving the input that how many terms he want to print, and then we'll just print the value of a. So see here, I am first printing the value of a and then I am doing the calculations. So why, we'll understand it right now. So first print a, then we calculate the next number. So c is the next number for me. So that is equals to a plus b. So 0 is the first number, b is the second number, and 0 plus 1, it will give you 1. So next number becomes 1. And then what we will do? The previous two number we have to update. How to update? We'll just take a equals to b. That means a value, this a value becomes b, and b value becomes c. That is the current addition fine. So next what we are doing, we will just increment the value of I for I plus 1, and from where the I is starting from 0 here we have taken here. Next we will check a condition. If I is less than n, that means if I want to print number 10, so till the I value is less than 10, then this loop will go on. From where it will go to step number 3. That means it will print the value and then it will do all this calculation, and then it will check the I value. So like this it will go on unless and until it reaches the term, reaches the value there. So after that we need to write the stop. So let's start the program. How to write it? So first I need the n. According to the algorithm I will be writing, so I need the n value. So n, I know it's a integer, fine. So number of terms is an integer, and I want to write the input here. Okay, in input I will write enter the number of terms. That's what I want it. Okay, so next is I'll initialize. So we have written there initialize. So we are going to initialize what? A equals to 0, one variable. Then I am going to initialize b equals to 1, second term, and then I am going to initialize I equals to 0 because I am starting from the 0th count and it will go till the 10th count. Fine. So after this, what we are going to do, we are just going to write a loop in which I am going to continue this. So I'll write while. So while, so see, to satisfy this condition to go on a loop again and again, so while is required. So while what? While the value of n I, the iteration is less than n. N value is what? N value is the term that we are taking. Fine. So while this, what we need to do, we'll just print the value of a first. Fine. And then we'll do the calculation. So we'll take another variable c equals to a plus b. I'll do, and I'll update the a and b value to the next to ready for the next iteration. So I'll make a equals to b, and then I'll make b equals to c. Fine. Now what has happened here, I am just taking the value of a and b for the next consecutive sum and the terms. Okay. Next, what I am going to do, I am going to increase the value of I. So I plus equals to 1 if I write like this. So this one is very similar to if I write I equals to I plus 1. So this, both the terms are same. Fine. Now my program is complete. So let's try to run this code. Now let's see what happens. So it is asking me the number of terms. If I write 1 here, so it is printing the 0. That means the first value it is only printing. Now if I run the code again and print types 2 here, so it should be printing 0 and 1 according to the Fibonacci series. So this is a Fibonacci series. First two terms are 0 and 1. So it should be able to print that. If I take enter, then it is printing 0 and 1. Next time if I run it, let me take 5. Okay. So if I take 5, how many values it is printing? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can check 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 is the first 5 digits. Okay, so up to 5 terms it is printing that. So next, if I take 10 also, so it will print till 34. Okay, so it will print till 34. So this is a very simple program how to find a Fibonacci series, and this is the algorithm for that. Now if you know the algorithm, you can also go for the flow chart if it is being asked. In next video we'll see some other interesting simple programs. Thank you.